What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the GIF Capture on the LG Stylo 4. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, as I showed in the beginning, you're going to go ahead and actually take out your stylus at the bottom of your phone, and we're going to have a thing called GIF Capture right there. So first thing you're going to do is go ahead and actually click on that, and you can actually form this to where you want it to go. There is a little panel at the top where you can go ahead and hold, and you can basically put this anywhere you want. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can move it literally anywhere you want. But I'm going to be showing you how to make a GIF. So we're going to go ahead and go into YouTube. Let's try to make a GIF off of Drake. Let's go ahead and make a little box around this video. We're obviously going to go ahead and skip this ad. And now you can actually record up to 15 seconds. If you don't want to record the full 15 seconds and you want to make a GIF that is like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, then you stop recording at 3 to 5 seconds. Recording 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5. So if you want a GIF like that, you guys can go ahead and do that. And then it actually gives you the GIF right here, which is actually pretty cool. So as you guys see, made a GIF, and this is going to be very useful if you guys are memers or make memes or whatever. You can go ahead and save that, and we're going to go ahead and go into gallery right now. So we have all of these different things on our gallery, and we have a GIF Capture, a folder just for us right there. So let's go ahead and click on that, and I actually made 2 GIFs. So the first GIF I actually made is from another YouTube video from a YouTube channel called Game Chasers. So that's the first one. The second one is obviously Drake. And we can go ahead and fold that sideways and get a full view of it. So if you guys are memers and you post a lot on Instagram and you guys just like making GIFs or making funny stuff and sending them to people, you guys can go ahead and do that. Pretty fun stuff. But yeah guys, I hope I helped you on how to make a GIF on the LG Stylo 4. You probably didn't know how to do that before, and if you did, definitely leave it in the comments down below. But I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be part of the notification squad and be notified every time I do upload a video. Without further ado, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.